We had an incident last year, another illegal radio station.
Bari omukwajana Obugabe bw'abanyamakuru bashangira ngo kitongore cya Uganda Pooriisi nicyo kyebembiire omukuburibatirira Obugabe bw'abanyamakuru kikoratirwe UPDF.
The sections of the Police Public Order Management Act that were criminalizing, those freedoms, those have been outlawed. But still, what you see, the police stand down deaf ear to court orders. What kind of country has Dr. Rukare do we aspire for? Do we want a lawless country?
Omunyamateka w'ekitongore kya Human Rights Network Uganda ayorekere oku omwaka gw'2022 okurubatirwa kw'abanyamakuru kuchendire okutanaho n'emyaka endijo ngo konka Pooriisi ekyebembiire omu myaka 14.
The UPDF came second with 11 cases recorded and reported as having been committed on journalists and media practitioners. In terms of comparison with the previous years, the number of violations committed by the UPDF officers was lower than the 25 cases reported in 2021, 31 in 2020, but higher than the 6 in 2019.
You can blame the pain anywhere, but this one is very unbearable.
Omushomogu abanyamakuru hamwe n'abebembezi babiri nibahajana okuba kubasa kumaraho okurubatirwa kwabo kandi bashomirwe Press Freedom Index Report ey'Enkumi-22.
A total of 16 cases were perpetrated by communities and mobs in 2022. This was a significant increase from 6 in 2021, 7 in 2020, 6 in 2019, 9 in 2018, and 4 in 2017.
A violation of your economic rights, including unfair wages, lack of contracts, and failure by bosses to pay salaries for months. The remedy of this is the minimum wage bill, as we've said, which calls for a joint voice by various clusters to the population to pay the government for its reconsideration.
Pooriisi hamwe na UPDF bashabire kwabaho enkiiko obo n'abanyamakuru omukumanya buri omwe ahari kukoma.
Itwena nitwetagangana abamakuru nibatwetaga naitwe ntubetaga ntabwo twina kurorango engeso n'ebintu byitwe barukutwegeso bakutendeka nk'abamakuru nk'aba security mazima twateka mu nkora nukusobole kukoragana hamwe
utwine kukora emisomo eya hamwe buriyo mamanye challenges ziri mu murongo wa mutahiwe sobole kurango twaragana kurungi so nyo tupatumazire ikintu cyakwa twetegereza kurungi.
If a policeman says stop here, turn back and go, let's do no harm. Go back to your editor and say I have been blocked. Let your editor be the one to contact the hierarchy of the police, the hierarchy of the army, the hierarchy of government for remedial action. You don't have to have physical confrontation with the policeman, with the soldier in the field, because you don't know their state of mind.
Abanyamakuru bashabirwa kukoresa amateka Obugabe bwabo bwaheza kurubatirwa. Gashakwa Michael Tumwakire.